Hey guys, Purely Awesome Gamer here, and today I'll be reviewing the Secret Forces Rifle. Taking a look at this weapon in the armory, it is the highest ranked one out of all of the premium weapons, with an efficiency of 26, fire rate of 98, capacity of 50, and mobility of 120. This weapon is really a great weapon to use, especially for primary. Over here we can see that it says the grade is legendary. Also it is automatic, silent, and it has a 4x zoom scope. The silent feature is very neat because it gives this weapon a unique sound. While it's not completely silent, it's quieter than something like the Hellraiser. The Secret Forces Rifle also has the ability to have a gold skin, like you see here, although it is 110 gems. So of course I had to buy it, right? It looks so awesome, but in here it's not gold, but still. Look at my guy holding it over here. So, ever since the 11.0.0 update, I believe Esoteric mentioned something like this, the Secret Forces Rifle seems to have been nerfed, and when you're playing, the crosshairs seem to get a lot larger, much more rapidly, making it harder to hit your opponents, but even still, number one, you have the scope, and number two, the weapon is just a fantastic weapon. So let's jump right into a match of Duel. Okay, we're back here with another opponent. Hopefully this guy does not leave, but hopefully we can still beat him, because it seems like whenever I try to play Duel, and it looks like I'm going to win, the other person always seems to leave. Where did this guy go? He totally just juked me out. There he is. Now something that you want to keep in mind with this weapon is that headshots give you, I think, about twice as much damage. So headshots, if you can manage to get them, are very beneficial when using the Secret Forces Rifle. There we go. Got that headshot. It also gives you 15 more points, so that is a plus. Now let's see where this guy spawned. Oh, I saw that charge rifle shot. Where did you go, sir? Where are you? Fight like a man, bro. What is this guy talking about? I'm gonna tell him you're on YouTube. Okay. And he doesn't care. Thank you for the ammo. Oh, nice shot. That was a good shot, I gotta say. Come on, this Secret Forces Rifle. I believe it came out around the 10.0.0 update. Oh, nice. We got our quest. But I believe the Secret Forces Rifle, it's kind of new, but really not. I think it's like 6 months old or something. So before this, I know that the Hellraiser was really the go-to primary, but the Secret Forces Rifle is definitely superior to that. Now I know this guy's going to go for revenge, so I'm just going to cut the video here, and we can go into a silent school match. Okay guys, here we are in this silent school match. Let's go, hold on. Let me put on my Berserker mask just to give me some more armor. And let's try and see if we can compete with these people just with the Secret Forces Rifle. Because the problem is, everyone is using one-shot weapons pretty much, except for that guy with the portable deathman. I don't know what he's doing. But we've got the Ghost Lantern and the Anti-Hero, two very OP weapons. But the thing is, a lot of people like to play with no armor in this, so maybe I'll have a chance. But, probably not, just because it's so close quarters, it's very difficult to miss with those overpowered weapons. Like this guy's got the big buddy there. So if you really need armor in Silent School, this is the weapon that you'll need it with. 2 kills. Let's go. Alright, now I'm probably gonna lose this one. But after, who knows, maybe I will take it upon myself to wreck these people. Please die. Yay! Yay! Oh, I'm sorry, I need to GS this server. I only have 5 grenades, though. Wish me luck. Alright. Oh, yay! We got him. Okay, please die. Yay, he had no armor. That's a mech. Please, let me kill it. Please, no? Okay, thanks. Okay, I'm still in 2nd place. Wow. That Granada kill for the win. Come on. This is like kill assist machine. Alright, I need to hit him with this. Thank you. Oh, come on. That's so many headshots. See, this is why, like, in close range matches like Silent School, the Secret Forces rifle is good, but when there's so many people using weapons that kill so much faster than the Secret Forces rifle, usually in matches they wouldn't really be able to hit you that easily, like with something like the Ghost Lantern. However, in Silent School, because it's so close, it's easy to hit people with them, so the Secret Forces rifle is kind of obsolete. But hey, we got that kill. And this guy, he's chatting or not. Okay. He has no armor. Come on, please. Yay. Oh. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. Yes. Is that the Hellraiser? Nice. But then I got killed by the big buddy. I'm still in 2nd place, though, which is pretty impressive with the Secret Forces. And as I say that... So, let's just try and get kills. Come on. Come on, please. That grenade. No. Oh, he's got the shuriken thrower. Wish me luck. I'm sorry, I can't kill that thing with the Secret Forces rifle. Yes, it's a thing. Come on, please. 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 Oh. See, like the Secret Forces rifle, don't get me wrong, it's a very good weapon. But I'm just playing in this match to prove a point that in close range, it is not the weapon to use. At least not in something like Silent School. Maybe in like Paradise Resort or something where it can get close range, but it is kind of still open. The Secret Forces rifle would be good, but definitely not in something like Silent School. Come on. No. Alright. It's easy though when they have no armor, but still there are quite a few people. Oh my gosh. That's a mech with the turn. Why? Alright. I'm sorry. After this, I'm going to put on some music and wreck these people. Okay, GG. At least I didn't lose trophies, right? Okay, let's do this. 4th place. Not too bad. With the Secret Forces, 15 kills. Alright, now let's get our Ghost Lantern. Trapper's fine, I guess. Let's get our Exterminator. Our Burning Tiara. Okay, let's do this. Long story short, guys, the Secret Forces rifle is good in close range, but not in extremely close range, like Silent School, where you have nowhere to run away and use tactical mobilization, pretty much. So you can take this into something like Paradise Resort. It will do great, and it's a wide open area, but it does get very close range. But in something like Silent School, there are other weapons that are way more overpowered than the Secret Forces rifle. Now let's wreck these people. Oh, the ghost spam is real.